When will the Bitcoin downtrend turn around? Will the ETH ETF start trading soon? And Solana unveils an amazing new feature that could propel it to new heights. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, not financial advice, we wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin has dumped a lot recently, but what are the main reasons behind it? Well, there's a few. First off, a German government-labeled cryptocurrency wallet has sold over $54 million worth of Bitcoin. The German government's wallet sold 900 Bitcoin in 3 individual transactions on June 25th. The first 200 Bitcoin transaction was sent to the Coinbase exchange, while the second 200 Bitcoin transfer was sent to the Kraken exchange. However, a third transaction for 500 Bitcoin, worth over $30 million, was sent to a wallet which remains unknown. The government-labeled wallet holds over $2.8 billion worth of Bitcoin and could introduce significant selling pressure that could tank the Bitcoin price below the key level of $60,000. Bitcoin's price has been in a downtrend, falling 11% on the monthly chart and over 7% on the weekly chart, trading just above $61,000. The German government-labeled wallet first sparked suspicions of potential Bitcoin selling on June 19th when it executed a 6,500 Bitcoin transfer worth over $425 million. Besides the transfer to the untagged wallets, the majority of the Bitcoin is being transferred to centralized exchanges, which signals that the government is potentially looking to sell Bitcoin. However, the second reason is that in July, we could see a lot more Bitcoin selling pressure since collab cryptocurrency exchange Mt. Gox announced that they would start repaying its defunct users. More than $9.4 billion worth of Bitcoin is owned by about 127,000 Mt. Gox creditors who have been waiting for over 10 years to recover their funds. This could introduce significant selling pressure for Bitcoin. And the third reason today being that in June, Bitcoin miners offloaded over 30,000 Bitcoin, equivalent to about $2 billion. This marks the highest monthly sell-off recorded this year. Moreover, this substantial liquidation has driven miner reserves down to a 14-year low of 1.9 million Bitcoin as miners initiate sell-offs to stay afloat after the recent Bitcoin halving. The fourth Bitcoin halving event in April 2024 has significantly impacted miner profitability. This prompted especially smaller operations to liquidate their holdings to cover operational costs. Moreover, the Bitcoin price is currently much lower than the $80,000 juncture, which is the break-even point for miners. But on the bright side, crypto analyst Eli Martinez has highlighted historical trends to suggest a potential rebound. He noted on X, in the past 2 years, the Bitcoin daily RSI has hit oversold territory 3 times, resulting in Bitcoin price surges of 60%, 63%, and 198% respectively. With Bitcoin now below $62,000 and the RSI in oversold territory again, it might be a prime opportunity to buy the dip. The process of launching the first spot Ether ETFs in the United States is going smoothly, according to SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Speaking at a June 25th Bloomberg conference, Gensler remained tight-lipped on when the ETFs could launch and deferred when asked if they could go live before the November US elections. He said it's really about the asset managers making the full disclosure so that those registration statements can go effective. The SEC approved 19 B4 filings from 8 ETF bidders on May 23rd, but the asset managers are still tweaking their Form S1s, the final filings the SEC needs to approve before they go live for trading. Some analysts have predicted that the SEC could approve the funds for trading as soon as the first week of July. However, Gary Gensler did make sure to add this.
This is a field that the leading lights from a couple years ago are either in jail, about to go to jail, or waiting extradition. Think about it. This is that field. That's the field right now where the public has really been harmed. And there's significant non-compliance in the field.
For those of you who may not know, xRaise is a smart contract wallet designed for Web3 gaming. They tackle the problem of managing your digital assets as a gamer or crypto user. They're making crypto payment procedures super easy. Their IDO is launching today at 2 p.m. UTC and going until June 29th at 2 p.m. UTC on the ZK Sync Era chain. You can get access to the IDO on their website, which is linked down below. It's important to note that there is no vesting schedule on the token IDO participants. It will be 100% unlocked at TGE on July 1st, 2024 via SyncSwap. Additionally, they've introduced a referral program where anyone can generate a referral link by connecting their wallet and inviting others. Participants will earn a 3% bonus from the contributions made through their referrals. The accepted payments for this IDO are USDT, USDC, and ETH. The price will start at 1.5 cents per raise. The allocation is 80 million raise, which makes up 8% of the total supply. The total max supply is 1 billion raise tokens, and the hard cap is 350 ETH or $1.2 million in USDC or USDT. The raise token is a utility token. That means it plays a huge role in the project. Some of its use cases include paying for transactions alongside other tokens like USDC and USDT, access to advanced project features, to pay for subscription trials, provide fee subsidy for holders, and for governance. Check out xRaise and their IDO today with the link down below. Fetch AI has seen a nearly 20% increase in value over the last 24 hours, following a tweet from Injective hinting at a potential collaboration. This surge comes amid a backdrop of artificial intelligence-related cryptocurrencies gaining traction, even as the broader crypto market is experiencing a significant downtrend. Yesterday, Injective tweeted that it's brewing something with Fetch AI and uploaded a picture of both company logos connected by a dynamic wave line that suggests a flow of energy or data between them. The crypto community members perceive the image as a signal of an upcoming collaboration between the two projects. Despite the vagueness, this tweet has fueled speculation among the crypto community, driving Fetch's price to skyrocket from $1.42 to $1.77, and at the time of writing, FET is now trading at $1.72. Crypto analyst Posey shared his insight on FET's current price movement. He expressed optimism due to its promising chart signs, such as the formation of a higher low. In addition to FET, other AI-related cryptocurrencies, such as SingularityNet's AGIX, have soared over the past week. Over the past 7 days, AGIX has increased by 45% and is now trading at 71 cents. And at the same time, Anthony Pompliano recently said this about AI on CNBC.
A couple of years ago, it was all about Bitcoin and crypto. Now, a lot of people are talking about AI, but I think people are kind of missing that these are actually part of the same trend. We're going into this automated world where AI is going to create enormous amounts of wealth, and Bitcoin is going to protect that wealth. And so when you start to see these technologies coming together, an easy way to see that intersection is what money are the machines going to use?
Then why is it diverging?
Well, what you start to see is people are putting capital, they outlay it into Bitcoin, into crypto, and now they move over to AI, they'll go and they'll invest there. But it's not like Bitcoin is going and falling, 50%. What they're going to do is, as AI continues to, kind of get larger, there's more wealth generated there, people are going to look to protect that wealth. And I think that they'll go back into Bitcoin. And so my guess is that AI and Bitcoin are both a 10-year trend here. We've got massive tailwinds. And the good news for the United States is there's a potential that GDP will actually increase because of the productivity from AI, and then Bitcoin being able to protect a lot of this wealth. I think that people looking at this as what's going to happen day to day or week to week are missing this huge tailwind for the next decade.
Shardeum, the auto-scaling Layer 1 blockchain, announced the launch of Stage 1 of its incentivized testnet, Atomium, slated to commence today, June 26, 2024. The purpose of Atomium is to incentivize users to test the network for bugs, vulnerabilities, and performance issues in order to fortify the network ahead of the mainnet launch. In Stage 1, Shardeum invites community members to test numerous peer-to-peer transactions, allowing the Shardeum team to stress test the network and ensure all vulnerabilities and insecurities are flagged and amended. This also allows Shardeum to monitor how their nodes operate under pressure. Atomium participants are incentivized to engage in the testing process with 0.65% of the token supply, or about 3.3 million Shardeum, allocated towards community contributions. The announcement represents the second phase of the Shardeum native token Shard airdrop and follows the successful completion of Phase 1, which was focused on early contributors. So check out Shardeum's incentivized testnet with the link down below. The Solana Foundation is introducing a new feature that promises to connect its blockchain to any website through a shareable link. According to an announcement on June 25th, the Foundation has released Solana Actions and Blockchain Links, or Blinks, allowing any website that can display a URL to perform a Solana transaction. This solution will enable a shareable link to display an interface for a Solana transaction. In other words, imagine sharing a link on X and allowing users to perform a crypto transaction without leaving X's webpage. The new feature could be used for crowdfunding, online purchases, and on-chain voting. From your X feed, you can buy an NFT, tip a creator, receive money, vote, stake, swap, and so much more. Websites, social media platforms, and physical QR codes can be used to share a blink. The Solana Foundation's safety roadmap for the new feature will give users the option to enable wallet support for actions and for blinks. To enhance security, the launch runs with whitelisted domains from Solana's partners, including Jupiter, Helium, Truffle, Phantom, and Backpack. The Solana blockchain has seen a surge in activity over the past few months. Thanks to its lower fees, it has emerged as a destination for meme coins and decentralized infrastructure protocols. In a recent report, venture firm Pantera Capital noted that Solana recorded over 60% of the new volume in decentralized exchanges in May. They said by May 2024, Solana accounted for 85% of all new tokens appearing in DEXs, up from 50% a year ago. The rise in Solana-based tokens reflects the strength in retail usage, driven by meme coin activity.